Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Blessed wagwan, me there again, you know. Manners and respect to each and every one. Yeah, big up on the sun there. But people, I'm going to present a video to you. And let me tell you from right now that this video can be somewhat shocking to some of you, my dear subscribers. One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is to help bring an awareness. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a motorist who was operating a motor vehicle was in the process of making a turn with the motor vehicle. And somehow another motor vehicle that was being operated by someone, and the motor vehicle was traveling fast past the motor vehicle that the person was in the process of turning. My people, when me look on the video, me say danger. Let me present the video to you, my people. Please be safe out there. Viewer discretion is advised for this video, and I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded. Observe. Look. So my common people, so to each and every motorist, motorcyclist, pedestrians, if you're about to go this way or go that way, whether you go right, left, back or forward, once you're out in the public and close to the road, look, make sure the way is clear here. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when there was fire inside of a building. The video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. And I got the understanding from the video that a group of persons worked together to help at least 2 persons to get out of a section of the building. There were persons who climbed to a certain height. A ladder had been used as well, and the video shows at least 2 persons who was inside a part of the building who somehow came through what I call a window and onto a ladder and then climbed down, as how I call it. But people, fighters arrive at the location and support the people. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one who did what they could in order to help those persons to get out of that building or support. So I say, yeah, big up and respect to each and every one who did what they could to help. But anyways, my people, I'm going to present the video to you. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Actually here, see, as well, some people might call the fire truck. Dangerous, no? Dangerous. Dangerous. Broken situation, that is no joke.
My boy nervous, yeah. My boy nervous, man, no silence. Well, I'm nervous, him. Somebody help him, nervous. Oh, yeah, get a hold on.
He might be just looking at the video. I might be thinking certain things. But who knows how this person was inside that room at that I want us to big up and respect each and everyone who did what they could to help get those persons out and down from that section of that building or the building. But people, there might be more details to the situation that you might find interesting. But I didn't get much information about the situation. Basically, I go by some things I'm seeing in the video and so forth. And now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle was on fire. That motor vehicle that was on fire is said to be a taxi. The video that I'm about to present to you will be recorded within the country of Jamaica. Now, even though some words said in the video, let me say that carefully, even though some words said in the video might be accurate, I am not able to confirm if every words or everything that anyone said in the video are accurate pertaining to the situation. But look and listen to the video for yourself, my people. I think I've seen more than one piece of videos about this situation. But anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
But sit right in front of the embassy. Watch that. Jaja.
You see that fire them, baby?
Big old traffic.
Fire.
Jaja.
But
This
still,
is
young
fair.
people. Well, go on, this is dangerous now, we still because
That's done. It's done for that.
it must be something like that. I feel it is best to stay
Disconnect the battery and the vehicle good.
certain distance away, far away from
Watch it.
that. You see me? Watch it.
Live. Right in front of the embassy. So a fire brigade there.
So I go and let some people. So that person there.
From when you know to do that?
Hi, there is a car on fire
Oh
right
my.
now. US
Yes,
Embassy
the
right in
person
front of the
tried, but
embassy
the
and
fire
they're
they look
trying
like
to do the fire
kinda-
that's out here.
Wow. Like an expert.
But
You
them
know that
late.
person, but
From just come here, them could have saved it.
Me I call the
Oh
fire
my.
brigade
Half a tree and then now get to it.
Max try, you know? Max try.
Che. Right in front of the embassy. Buckle the gas, I go blow you now.
Move as far as possible from that. Go on, go down. Watch out. Huh. Look at that one there. And the boss. Hey.
You gotta drive up the sign of the white blood before him and securing car. Yeah.
Oh my.
Right in front of Che.
People that
All
really
the
and
gas tank
truly.
no bus yet, you know.
Oh my.
All know it no bus yet.
Oh my. That's. Move away from that. Go as far as possible from that. And that dangerous.
Hold on there, my boss. Hold on there.
The people, that right there, son. That's danger right there, some people. Hey, oh my. Fire battery damage at the motor vehicle. I mean, in my point of view, we're not even sure if it. Yeah, but anything is something like that still. Saying, try and stay a certain distance away from it because you may never know. That can, I mean, you understand, so just be careful. Just be at a safe distance. And in my point of view, the far right there, the safe right there. Leave your comments or comment, let me know what you think about that situation. Who's the owner of that motor vehicle? Well, last lesson. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.